tonight, and Valdez has few answers, although he lands a nice left hook and he's hurt. Down goes Lopez here. 7th round. Big right hand from Oscar Valdez. Big combinations from the Mexican fighter, and in steps Russell Moore.
Mixing in that body shot again, wrapping around that elbow, and Navarrete getting after it here. Rallied in the 5th, rallied in the 7th, and then dust shots running down from Navarrete. Body shot mixed in. It is over.
Sigue, lo tiene a otro en contra, lo tiene corriendo, no sabe dónde más ir. Valdez buscando terminar esta pelea en el 7º asalto. Lo tiene contra las cuerdas, batallando con ambos, con la derecha y la izquierda, varias veces a la cabeza y acaba la pelea.
Pretty straight center line. And that's why he's not getting hit with those uppercuts.
A sense of urgency because this fight is getting away from you. Here goes.
And how quickly things can change. And it's over.
Volume puncher with a 70-inch reach.
Down goes.
In the towel to my young fighter. He's young. He don't need to be taking this type of punishment right now. Punishment right now. And the reason why the ref is not stopping in and stepping the action is because the Vaca is fighting back.
Por meter impactos poderosos, vuelve otra vez un Corbin Page que vuelven a doblársele las piernitas como a Bambi. Intenta Oscar, va con todo el poder, vuelve a agarrarlo ahí poderosa, entra con gancha ahora de derecha, se vuelve un toma y daca, mete la guadaña, en cualquier momento Kenny veis que está vigilando y mueve la toalla. Parón la pelea,
That's a nice body shot, but once you hit Navarrete, you better get out of the way, because if not, right above that, and here comes the flurry, and Lopez is in trouble once again. Efficiency and no touching gloves here, Tim.
Stop.
There he goes, down once.
Por parte de Valdez. Y es mexicano tirando ese gancho al...
Y pues lo sintió muy bien Rocco. Y otra vez.
Curar. Tres veces en la lona en este primer asalto. La cuarta al sonar.
Yes, steadily coming. But Navarrete catches him again. Navarrete peppering Diaz. Go! Navarrete! 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 Diaz falls! It's a knockdown! Seconds to go.
Well-rounded fighter. Doesn't throw the same combination. Oh! Wow! That was nice.
Comes Valdez to try to apply the finisher if he can, and he's unloading everything he's got. Beautiful right by Valdez. Great combinations inside. It's all
by Navarrete.
He needs to finish to the body. Headshots are good, but he needs to finish downstairs, put to the body, just like that.
You can tell, and there's a headshot, Santissima. He is compromised here in round number 11. Through the blue and white rope for a moment there. Strafing attack to the head. Round number 11. Russell Morris giving it a look. There it is. TKO victory.
Loves
he gets tagged, he comes back. Navarrete's the type of guy who
he's kept up with this. You know who he reminds me of?
Right, left hand of Navarrete. He's got his opponent. Ooh, the body language too of Panchito Horta changing. He's got him up against the corner, and this is
with those shots because power punches.
Miguel Gonzalez, who wasn't throwing punches and was taking punishment, and here
shoulders makes him miss again. He's staggered him now. There's a hard body shot again. How many more liver shots can this guy take? That's the right hand. John Shirley's going to have to watch this kid now because he's taking a lot of punishment. He's down. Says, no, my son, I'm not going to let you take it under my watch anymore. Great job by John Shirley knowing when to stop that fight.
Once again, that uppercut. Davey was on the ball in between the rounds.
Tay knows it clearly for the Mexican. Great shot. He almost goes. But is it the last throw of the dice? He's bravely fighting on his gum shield, trying to fire back. But now
Navarrete is looking to finish this one, and it's all over.
When Perez touches Valdez, there's just no power there at all. There's a big shot.
All the way out or all the way in.
Mean sequence right there from Navarrete.
And now chases him down. Dogbe went straight back, and he just paid the...
He hurt his hand right there, too.
He did. He damaged his hand. Navarrete trying to shake off his right hand after landing a hard punch, and a towel is thrown in. You said he's...
Buscando terminar esta pelea en el séptimo asalto. Lo tiene contra las cuerdas, batallando con ambos, con la derecha y la izquierda, varias veces a la cabeza y acaba la pelea. Valdez, derecha, campeón.
Sí, dice viva México, chicas.
Ya estoy aquí. Así es, le queda menos de un minuto al número 11. Si llena la campana, absolutamente nada, José Martín, y el vaquero se la dice.
Una navaja y que a veces mete con gancho. Le duele el gancho. Se va otra vez a la lona y se regresó para acabar la pelea.
Oscar Valdez trata de sacarle distancia. Ese golpe de izquierda, qué gancho le metió a Ábalos, que no tiene otra alternativa más que caer a la lona. Prácticamente a derribar al rival en los primeros segundos del combate, y así lo hacía. Detiene el combate el referee. Le metió.
Pero contesta luego. Atacando de nuevo ahora Navarrete, pegadito a las cuerdas, a lejos. Fallaba con la mano izquierda el vaquero Navarrete, pero lo tiene en la esquinita caliente. La candela al vaquero. La mano derecha otra vez, las piernas temblaban de John Gemino. Ahora le escapa.
El equilibrio al
Y pueden detener el pleito. Ahí está, detienen el pleito, señores. Mucho
Y que retumban en toda la...
Un gancho impresionante, limpio, corto, inmaculado. Él la pasa mal. Para mí está
Justamente el vaquero Navarrete. El vaquero entra entre Super Gallo y Pluma, y es donde se debate. Ofensivos puede ser que sí, pero físicamente lleva una pegada sabrosísima. Marco vuelve a levantarlo.
Sí, lo agarra.
Señores, justamente ahora lo manda con izquierda en 3 ocasiones y lo pone bonito y vuelve a darle, y esta, señores, acaba. Ampliar los brazos. Ese gancho que le acaba de meter, entra un pasito para atrás para agarrarlo. Entró justamente abajo. Va a atacar. Se suelta con todo. Lo levanta López.
Todo valiente, va para adelante ahí. Lo encierran en las cuerdas. Un vaquero Navarrete que no lo deja salir.
Este del Estado de México se está. Ataca con derecha. Vuelve a levantar con López. Está fallando.
El vaquero,
Está alcanzando.
Beef with Stephen A. later if you like. He'll be available all night.
Oscar Valdez. He's trapped on the ropes. And a sitting duck.
And 169 landed, so unimpressive.